Today I will talk about business analytics using a multi-agent system. This project is part of my 5 days AI agent intensive vibe coding course with Google. Myself, Dr. Sompal Singh. My interest is in business analytics, generative AI, digital marketing, and hospital administration. Title of my project is Sales Analysis Agents using ADK, that is Google ADK in Python. For better business management, there is a need for business intelligence and business analytics. For a manager, it is difficult to perform business analytics using statistical tests. For any business analysis solution, there is a need of multi-step data analysis process. So business analytics involve a multi-step business data analysis. Agents can be deployed to perform data analysis. Since data analysis is a multi-step process, a multi-agent system is most appropriate for performing business analytics. This is the architecture of my project. I have coded two agents. One is labeled as CSV Data Analyst agent. This agent uses the tool that is Load CSV. Using this tool, a CSV data file is loaded, and this agent actually look at the data, look at the columns of the data, and generate insights from the data. Then I have coded second agent known as chi-square analyst agent. It uses the tool do chi-square. This tool performs chi-square test to find the association between two variables, and these two variables must be categorical variable. These two agents work in a sequential manner using the workflow. And my project uses Gemini 3.5 Flash as a brain or LLM here. This is the code for load CSV tool, and this is the code for do chi-square test tool. These two are my agents, and this is the workflow, and this is the main subroutine to run the analysis, and this is the output. So using this multi-agent system, sales data sample CSV, which I have downloaded from the Kaggle site, this CSV data is loaded, and also the chi-square test was performed between the variable status and deal size, and we saw that there is a statistically significant association between order status and the deal size. Moreover, the multi-agent system also generated the insight regarding seasonality or peak sales, regarding product line dominance, regarding geographical distribution, and regarding deal size distribution. These technologies I have used in my project: Python 3.10, Google ADK 2.0, Jupyter Notebook, and Gemini 3.5 Flash. This is the repository on GitHub for the code.